Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Aditya Sharma. Today I will discuss briefly about sulfonamide drugs. In this video we will discuss about introduction part, history and development, chemistry of sulfonamides, classification of drugs and last mechanism of action. First, introduction part of the sulfonamides. Sulfonamides are the antimicrobial compound containing sulfonamide group which are able to prevent the multiplication of some pathogenic bacteria. These are also known as the sulfur drugs. These agents contain sulfonamide group in their structure. Some of sulfonamides are useful in antibacterial, some have diuretic effect, while some have anticonvulsant property. About history and development of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide drugs were the first antimicrobial drugs which produced revolution in medicine. First sulfonamide drugs was Prontosil, which were experimented in 1932 by Bayer AG. Prontosil was a bright red azo dye which was active against streptococcal infections. Prontosil had a strong protective action against infection caused by streptococci, blood infections and fever. And about chemistry of sulfonamide drugs. Chemically, sulfur drugs are amphoteric in nature. They behave as weak organic acid with pKa 4.79 to 8.56. They are weakly soluble in water. Their solubility is increased at alkaline pH. The sulfoacetamide is neutral in pH and is used in treatment of eye infection. This is the basic structure of the sulfonamide. The basic structure of sulfonamide drug containing one benzene, two amino group with one sulfo group. And about the classification of sulfonamide drugs. Sulfonamide drugs were classified on the basis of chemical structure, site of action and duration of action. First, based on chemical structure, both N1 and N4 substituted sulfonamide, example succinyl sulfathiazole. N1 substituted sulfonamide, example sulfathiazole, sulfaphenazole, sulfamerazine, sulfamethoxazole. Based on their site of action, first gut acting sulfonamide, example sulfaguanidine, succinyl sulfathiazole. Second, systemic sulfonamide, example sulfaperidine, sulfathiazole, sulfamerazine. Third is renal sulfonamide, example sulfasoxazole. Fourth is topical sulfonamide, example sulfamylone. Fifth is topical sulfonamide, example sodium sulfoacetamide. Based on the duration of action, sulfonamide is long acting, short acting and intermediate acting. Long acting sulfonamide is sulfamerazine and sulfadoxine with half-life of 7 days. Short acting sulfonamide is sulfathiazole, sulfadiazine with half-life of 4 to 8 hours. And last is intermediate acting sulfonamide, example sulfamethoxazole with a half-life of 8 to 12 hours. And about the mechanism of action of sulfonamide. This is a flow chart of the mechanism of action of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide inhibit the para-aminobenzoic acid which is responsible for the formation of folic acid in the bacteria. Bacteria synthesize their own folic acid, of which para-aminobenzoic acid is a constituent and is taken up from the medium. Sulfonamide are the structure analogues of para-aminobenzoic acid, inhibit bacterial folate synthase and formation of folate get inhibited. Sulfonamide competitively inhibit the para-aminobenzoic acid with betadine residue to form dihydropetroic acid, which conjugates with glutamic acid to produce dihydrofolic acid. Sulfonamide altered folate and which is metabolically injurious. Overall, sulfonamides inhibit the para-aminobenzoic acid which is responsible for the synthesis of folic acid in the bacteria. This is all about the sulfonamide drugs.